Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Bitdefender. So let's get started. Open Control Panel, then in Control Panel, click on Programs or Programs and Features. Look for Bitdefender in the list of installed programs. Right-click on Bitdefender and select Uninstall and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation process. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.